Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to write a resume using ChatGPT. First, open your browser and then search chat.openai.com. Now type in the command as shown here. As you can see, I just typed in write a resume for me. And now, as you can see, ChatGPT is forming up the resume for me. So just wait for it to get done. Now if you want ChatGPT to write a resume for a specific company, then include that in your command. As an example, I will type in write a resume for IT company. Type it in and then press enter. Now ChatGPT will write it down for you. But as you can see, there are no information related to you or the job. In order to fix that, include all the information you want in the resume while writing the command. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.